Welcome to Danami Leathers. In continuation of a previous episode, we want to draft. Okay, it's already drafted anyway. 9 inches. We are using a measurement of 9 inches by 18 inches because the gusset will be 4.5. The flap tool will be about 4.5 inches. The reason I'm using this measurement is just that it's my own measurement. If you want it increased, you just add the number, some inches to it. If you want it reduced, you reduce the inches. But you just try it out first so that you know whether you are increasing it or you are decreasing it. So let's get started. I've already drafted this pattern, 9 inches by 18 inches. So you cut 2 of this on your material, whether you are using leather or 2 of this pattern. You place it on your material, either leather material or fabric or taffeta, whichever material you are using for your lunch bag. And then the height of this lunch bag will be 9 inches, so it's not too small. The height of this lunch bag will be 9 inches. The width too will also be 9 inches. So even it will contain any water bottle, yes, or food flask. I think so. So the materials that you'll be needing for this for your lunch bag anyway is your taping for the outside finishing, the belt for the handle of the bag, the zip to open and to secure your lunch bag, yes, the adjuster to secure your belt, your webbing, you understand. So that is all the materials. I think that's all the materials that you'll be needing, apart from the ruler that you use in drafting your pattern and cutting your material. So let's get started. So we have our two pattern. Assuming these are the materials already cut. These are the materials already cut. So if you want to add your character to the lunch bag too, you just add it. You know, we've already said the gusset will be 4.5. You leave the 4.5 here, the other side to 4.5. You make sure this one is at the center. You sew it down first. Then you had your zip to this side. The other pattern too, you measure from 4.5 inches. You know, we are using 4.5 inches. It's the base and also the gusset. So you measure 4.5 from here to here. This side to 4.5 from here to here. So you sew your zip cloth, round it to the 4.5 at the both sides. Do you understand? You sew your zip cloth first of all here 4.5 to this place. Then after doing that, you will now start you will sew your this thing. You know, it's 9 inches. You just measure about 11 inches, but you start your measurement. You leave about 1.5 inches down here to put your adjuster to sew it there. You put about 1.5 inches, yes, and then you sew it down at the both sides. Afterwards, you put your is either you use your white foam or the normal foam with lining. You cut it and then sew everything together. After sewing them together, then you start your coupling. Put this one away now, but you know that remember, you would have sewn it down first. So I want to put this one away now. Okay, so you can just notch where your 4.5 will end and where this another one will start from, so that you just know where to stop, for accuracy. Anyway, it's just for accuracy. So When you are done with that, after you have sewn your zip cloth, whatever, then you start your coupling like this, where that 9 inches, I told you the 9 inches is the height of the lunch bag. So this place, the side of this one, which is the 9 inches, you place it here. This is where your zip, you would have sewn your zip down here, and this is the 4.5 where the other part of the zip will be. So you start your sewing from here, from this 9. Continue. You will not start the sewing from this place that you have already notched, where the zip cloth ended, where the zip that you have sewn stopped. So you sew it down. You sew it down to where another 4.5 will start from. Then you turn this one again. You turn it. You continue the sewing till it gets down to this place. Till it gets down. Then you continue turning like that. Like that. You understand? You continue turning till you get to the next 4.5. You understand? Till you get to this place. Do you get? This will now be like your base, the bottom. Then you continue. Do you understand? So your lunch bag will now have this shape. Ta-da! You're through with a simple lunch bag pattern. Try yours. I'll be waiting in the comment section for your own for how you have tried your own out. Thank you.